Ah, hello and welcome. I am the awful chef. I get hungry, so I'd better figure out how to make something to eat. Yeah, last night was awful. I had the most amazing meal planned. Windows were going to be open, the sun was shining, loud music, la 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 la. And then God decided we needed hailstones. Yeah. The end of April in California, we had hail to go with our snow. Ugh. So yeah. One good thing about it though, I found a use for this. What's this? Yeah, that's right. It's a German liqueur called Goldschlager with little bits of gold flake floating in it. It's a cinnamon schnapps. What do you do with a cinnamon flavored booze? Well, same thing you do with an almond flavored booze known as Amaretto. You take a pack of just dirt cheap hot chocolate mix. Anything you add hot water to. Throw in some heavy cream. Mix it together to the point that you get what looks like a chocolate mousse. And yeah, that is a good shorthand chocolate mousse. I won't argue that. You throw in a little bit of cinnamon schnapps or amaretto and some hot water. Serve that to your wife and you both go to bed while God makes it rain or whatever he's doing. So I'm the awful chef, and that's an idea of what to do with leftover highly flavored liqueurs. We'll be getting back to our regularly scheduled program as soon as God gives us our weather back. But we got some good things planned in the meantime. That's it. Thank you. Oh yes, this is social media. Please be social and subscribe.